Ensaymada is a brioche-like bread loved by Filipinos all over the world. Today we're making special ensaymada that is really soft and cheesy. Here are the ingredients. Put all the ingredients in the bread maker pan. I put liquid first. Milk, salt, eggs, flour, sugar, and the yeast. Start the bread maker. When dough is formed, put the softened butter. When using bread maker, it usually takes about an hour and a half to finish kneading and proofing the dough. Remove the dough from the pan. Divide the dough by 14 pieces, approximately 88 grams each. Roll each piece into a ball. Then roll it into a thin sheet. Now roll it to form a log. Form a coil and tuck in the end. Place the shaped dough in a 5 cm mold. Cover with cloth and let it rise for 1 hour. Bake it in a 180 Celsius or 356 Fahrenheit preheated oven for 15 to 18 minutes. Remove from the mold to cool it faster. While waiting for the bread to cool down, let's make the buttercream. Cream 70 grams butter and 50 grams icing sugar until light and fluffy. Spread it generously on top of ensaymada. Top it with grated cheese. Another way of putting the grated cheese is to dip the top onto the grated cheese. I hope you find this recipe easy to make, and I hope you make it because I'm sure you will love it. If you like this video, please put a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Thank you for watching this video. Until next time.